Hello, my name is Michael Price. I'm a sales recruiter. I'm here to talk to you about a channel role for a headless CMS vendor, which is UK-based, selling to Benelux. The company is a $50 million vendor. They've had good growth. They're expanding their European footprint. They do have a European footprint and some good European clients, but they're growing that even further. Do you know what headless CMS is? I think I do, but depending how much you know, you might catch me out. But I'll tell you what I think it is. I think a content management system is a layer upon which we build commerce websites. I think some of those commerce websites are very preformed with templates that we have to use. I think some of them aren't as well preformed. They're more of a platform that companies can put their own stamp and their own individuality on. Those companies will tend to be bigger, and I think that's what Headless CMS is. Typically, this is 15% license cost and 85% implementation and services, and they have a partner model. So that's to say that if their sale value, my clients, is 150k, the client is going to add another 85% on in terms of the implementation, their services, design, consultation, and clearly that's going to vary, client to client. This is end user selling and deal origination. And I asked the client, I said, this 600k target, how's it going to be broken down? He said probably 250k from partners, 100k from marketing, 50k from partner leads, and 200k from you. And that's the origination of the lead. And then I said to him, how much involvement do you think that the salesperson who works for you will have? And he said, well, it'll differ really, Mike. He said, some of the partners that we have, they will find a lead, they will manage the lead, they will close the lead. Some of the partners that we have, we will find the lead, we will talk to a partner, and then we will hold their hand through the sales process, because whilst they will obviously want to get it closed so they can get paid, they might be more creative than sales, and therefore they need our support from a sales perspective. And he said sometimes we put it through a partner who actually aren't particularly sales savvy, they didn't actually create the lead themselves. So he said it does vary. The partners are in the Benelux region. What they're looking for is, from a tech perspective, either something MarTech related or a fluent Dutch or French speaker, and that will probably be as your native tongue. Obviously, it'd be ideal if you've got both, but I think that's relatively unlikely. And from a vertical perspective, fairly open. I would think about the end user here, and I would think about the sales route to market. This is working with partners, and this is working with partners, most of whom are agency-style companies. So if you don't want to work with either through a partner model or with agencies, I suspect that this will be irrelevant to you. Package, 150k OTE. It's going to be split, maybe 75 to 80k basic. And I think in terms of growth, this guy joined actually that I'm recruiting for as a BDR, and he now manages the EMEA region. He certainly shows no signs of wanting to slow down his career, and therefore people will have a good career working alongside him. My contact details are on the screen. Thank you. I'll speak to you soon.